All right, another backtesting video. I said I'd try to do one once a week. I hate plugging this, but join my VIP live trade with me recaps every Sunday. Ask me any questions you want. DM me. You can get my number too. It doesn't matter. Hate plugging it, but 3-day free trial also if you want. But link will be in the description. But right now, as of right now, I only have 3 people in there. So do as you please. Not saying you can't get information online, but I became profitable watching PB trading live, and I'm doing exactly what they did. So, okay, first of all, market opens at 4:30 in the morning on here for some reason. Fucking stupid. Right now, this is kind of setting up for a good PDI model. 4-hour looks pretty bearish. Not pretty bearish, very bearish. I mean, lower highs, lower lows, clear, and versus 4-hour. We did pull into it, but not much. I gotta change this box, bro. I look like a bot. Gotta get rid of these borders, too. This looks so bad. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna change it. It's fine. So, nothing really looks good at all here. That's market open here. See if we have a 50. We did tap this 4-hour a little bit. I wouldn't mind taking longs. We'll see how we react out of these 15 minutes. There's nothing really to take here. Yeah, so, I mean, we just pulled back into the first 15-minute off open. And, I mean, I doubt there was even a 30-second here. Just straight rippage. But we swept out this high side of the gap. This intermediate high. So, honestly, I'd wait till 10 here, most likely, to see if we make gaps below that we can target to get a mech model out of the 4-hour. Maybe at open, we have a 10 a.m. open high into this 4-hour, fill it more, and get a low close. Because I don't really want to long into this 4-hour, even though we're inside of this 5-minute. You're targeting a high that swept out another high, especially inside of the gap. It's protected high. Yeah, I mean, it could work, but you just shouldn't take that. Okay, we're just ripping right now. Okay, so like this 5-minute inversion here would be really nice. I doubt we'll get a mech model here. I'm just going to get rid of this 4-hour gap. Yeah, this would have been a potential mech model, but this was the beginning of the 5-minute, but we closed here. It would have been a break-even trade anyways. A break-even at the 5, hold to a 1-to-1. I don't really like this unless we had a really V-shaped reaction, but do have LR below. We just swept out this high. I wouldn't mind taking a short here. This 5-minute, I believe, did inverse. Yeah, I'll take this. We have a 5-minute inversion. We are inside of this 4-hour right now. Hourly, we just swept out this high. We have a 5-minute inversion here. This would be, honestly, A+. And first target would be here. Grab my stop loss at this high also. Really high IR. I would honestly just target this low here. Break even there. Target this low. Okay, stopped out. Assuming we'll probably run lower. Okay, well, most likely a stop right here. No, we are just going to go higher. Well, horrible price action, not going to lie. I wouldn't look for anything the rest of that day. That's for sure. All right. Whoa. Okay. So, 4 hour, we are still respecting this 4 hour gap that we're inside of. Also, this top hourly, this is kind of a protected high up here. Not kind of, it is. But we did deliver lower. Just kind of, I would like to see these two stacked lows get hit. And we have a third one right here. So this would actually be my main draw on liquidity for the day. Just to go lower. So, I mean, right off open here, pretty much just look for... Oh, someone just texted me. I would just look for like a 5-minute condition, 15-minute condition. All that is just gaps that are made and just seeing where price wants to go. So right there we get an open high. Right off open. Ooh. See, like right here there probably is a 30-second. We swept out this intermediate high here. Side side of the gap. I'm honestly going to take this. I don't have there's no 30-second time frame on here. But I do believe there would definitely be a 30-second here. There's no way there's not. Stop at these body highs. And this would low-key be a high RR trade too. I'd most likely partial here and just hold. Because these are really good draws. See what we do here. I think I'm in this. Oh, it didn't. Oh, shit. It's gonna fuck up my stuff, bruh. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Hella confusing. Okay, how'd we break even? Okay, there we go. I lost like a bunch of money for no reason. I don't know what just happened, but basically, bro, this is like the best model there is. I swear to God. Literally right off open, if we open high into like a gap and especially intermediate highs, like highs inside of a gap, and we get a reaction out of that, dude, the highest time frame inversion out of that targeting like external liquidity is insane. Seriously insane. And yeah, you can just see we're just ripping down. But trade's done for the day. Like right there, you'd have been done trading in what, 30 minutes? Okay, immediately I'm going to be bullish. We just swept out this low here. Obviously, we are reacting out of it. Overnight didn't do much. We are kind of in some chop, but we don't really have anything above us that's kind of like stopping anything. We have like these highs here. We also have this 1 hour intermediate high. But the Reddy's market opened. Actually, no, it didn't open yet. We already inversed this 15-minute. Okay, there's that open. Okay, we're just going to rip up here. See if we can get a 5-minute condition. We do have a 15-minute here also. Doubt we'll pull back into this. This is also a BPR here. So we'll see. Clean high to take though. But I made SMT at this gap. 1 second here. Yes, like right now, I would just be willing to take a continuation if we pull back into this 5 minute that we made. We probably made a SMT, which kind of sucks. 1,000,000% I'd be in this if we made a SMT at this 5 minute gap. I'm assuming we did. Perfect 1-to-1 here. I would just have my TP there, and oh, maybe we didn't. Yeah, there. Oh my god, fucking voice crack. Holy shit. Okay, we just tapped this 5 minute. 15 minute doesn't look the best. Hopefully we didn't make an SMT at this high here. My voice is cracking so bad. See what we do. We do have a 2 minute here. I'd be willing to take. Damn, never mind. We probably did make an SMT there. Still didn't close below this 5 minute. Pretty V shape out of this. Still didn't inverse this. We don't have any gaps down here. Oh, we do have this 3 minute. Okay, I'd be willing to take this. Didn't inverse this 5 minute. Didn't inverse this 15 minute either. That we made. Looks really good for continuation longs. And we inverse this 4 minute. I'll just put my entry right here. But this looks really good for a continuation towards this draw here. I won't even go break even. Stop loss would be below this low. I'd say this is, I mean, I'm not going to lie, probably A. I do really like this. Low volatility. Okay, that's another banger. On trades like this, you don't have to go break even. There's no reason to. If you're super confident in a trade, like, why go break even? Like, why have the chance to even, like, get stopped out, you know? I mean, it just, I don't know. You learn, like, when to go break even and when to not go break even over time. You'll get used to it. But that's why you journal. If you don't journal, you never get better. Okay, pretty bullish. Inverse this 4 hour. We're kind of trending towards this lower 4 hour here. So, I mean, ideal scenario, we don't really do anything before 10. 10 a.m. has this open low. And we get a high close targeting kind of this, not LR, but stacked highs. But if we're going to be super bullish off open, I wouldn't even care to get, like, to tap this gap here. Unless we come, like, really, really close to it, then I'd want that move down into it. If that makes sense. Yeah, so we just inverse this 15 minute. And we didn't really do anything. Yeah, I'd look for a continuation long here. PDI. Don't know if we're going to get it, though. Okay, there's the tap into this 5 minute up here. Super V shape. We also have this 5 minute. Yeah, just BPR. tap. We do have 3 minute. I would definitely be waiting for this 3 minute here. Right. Oh, I don't know why it skipped so far. What the fuck? Damn. I don't know why it skipped so far. But this would be my entry. Do we have stacked highs? Yeah, I would just target this high here. I mean, even these highs. Yeah, I'm just going to target these relative equal highs here. That's all I'm going to target. This looks like bad RR. It is a 1-to-1, but I'm getting entered at a horrible spot because I don't know why it skipped so far ahead. But inverse the 3 minute continuation. We pull back into the 5 minute. Also the 15 minutes. Super clean continuation. And I mean, super clean. So hopefully we didn't make an SMT there. Okay, there's another dub. I think I'm just going to do one more. I don't want to be on here too long. I do got to check something real quick. I don't know, bruh. It's not my win rate. Because I had to exit positions. I took one loss there. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so last one here. I don't care if it's a loss or a win, but shit, did I skip too far? No, okay, no, this is right at open. So we opened low into this 4 hour here. It looks like we're at all-time highs. So like any condition works. I've only traded 2 cycles of the market at all-time highs. So I'm not the best. It's not like I've been trading for 50 years. I'm 20 years old and I've been trading for 3. So honestly, like this 5 minute long it's just probably gonna rip towards this all-time high here. Probably won't get an entry unless we do pull back into a 5 minute, but like there's just no structure. Like you might as well just long right now. I'm just gonna be honest. Okay, there's a good move down. If we hit this 5 minute down here, no, I wouldn't be willing to take like a mech short here, especially at all-time highs. But yeah, longs will probably rip from here. I don't trade like this though. I mean, if we were to have a SMT at this gap here, which we probably do, then I'd be willing to take this 5 minute inverse here, which I almost just want to take because I believe this is going to rip. I actually am going to take this. This isn't a normal trade. This is an all-time highs, kind of like discretion trade. But I'll go break even at like these stacked highs. We'll at least rip to there. And then I'd go a little bit lighter size here too. All-time highs is hard to trade. But yeah, stopped out. I do want to see what price does. Maybe we do get an entry here. Oh, okay. So most likely we didn't have an SMT at that gap. We are waking this out nice. If we get this 5 minute inverse here, long in this. No, we just inverse the 5 minute. Yeah, looks bad. I mean, we got a good reaction. We got like a doji here, right at 10. But this is like a perfect long. If we came down in this 5 minute, 10 a.m. opened, we opened low. And then if we were to inverse this 5 minute, This would have been super clean. Something like this, stop here. We could have had news also. So you got to be aware of that, but I'd actually maybe be willing to take another trade on this day. If we were to inverse, yeah, like right there, we just inverse this 15-minute. And we have this hourly gap above. This would literally be the fastest break even I've ever taken. We didn't hit this hourly yet. We inverse these 5 minutes. Stop would be super tight. Bro, this would be like instant break even. Instant. Targeting these stacked highs. Like right there, I'd be break even. Okay, break even trade. Okay, so I believe I lost one trade, I think, or no, 2 trades. So I think 75% win rate. I'm just gonna go 75. I think I'm not gonna go back and rewatch the whole video. I'm just gonna literally end this and upload it to YouTube. But yeah, try to get these done once a week. And yeah, if you want to join my VIP and live trade with me and recaps every Sunday, feel free. I don't care if you don't, but it's all break even here. But hope you have a good day or night, whatever it is for you. Peace.